Is nature the secret to boosting home value? Welcome to Cook County, Illinois, where a big decision is not just reshaping our forests, but it also could be redefining our real estate market. The people here have agreed and voted for a property tax increase, possibly starting a journey of transformation. The consensus among voters is a belief that this will be a positive shift for the entire community. The $180 million allocated to the Forest Preserve in 2023 is more than just a massive amount of money. It's an investment in the ecosystems that surround us. Here is where science meets real estate. This funding is the beginning of what could be an ecological renaissance. It's more than just some rehab of land, it's more like a rejuvenation. Habitat restoration and wildlife conservation efforts are changing our local green spaces. Now let's zoom out and appreciate what we're really talking about. Over 70,000 acres, the Cook County Forest Preserves make up about 11% of the county's land. This makes it as one of the nation's largest and most historic forest preserve systems. Rich in biodiversity, these lands consist of prairies, woodlands, savannas, and wetlands. They are teeming with diverse plant and animal species, each playing a crucial role. Imagine each dollar spent as a seed planted into our local ecosystem. Picture crews of workers in a demanding yet vital marathon, removing invasive species like buckthorn, a plant notorious for outcompeting native flora. But it doesn't stop there either. The mission is also to reintroduce indigenous plants, balancing the ecosystem and supporting local wildlife at the same time. But this is more than a fight against invasive species. It's a project to cultivate self-sustaining, resilient ecosystems. It's rigorous work involving digging, ripping, burning, and safely disposing of aggressive plants that are evolved to poke you. And here's the best part for homeowners and potential buyers. Thriving ecosystems contribute to a more desirable living location. This enhances not just our daily lives, but potentially boosts the value of properties nearby. While ecologists enhance natural habitats, real estate experts are watching closely. Homes near revitalized green spaces often become more attractive, leading to increased market values. It's a scenario for both nature lovers and property investors. Biodiversity, it isn't just a buzzword. It's the science of life diversity that supports everything from cleaner air to more robust ecosystems, directly impacting our quality of life and property values. Take the seed banking program, a collaboration with the Chicago Botanic Gardens. It's like a savings account for plant diversity, making sure that rare or endangered species don't disappear and can be reintroduced for ecological balance. As the sun sets over Cook County's rejuvenated forests, one thing becomes clear. When we invest in nature, nature invests back in us. These woods, trails, and open spaces are more than just scenery. They're the heartbeat of our community, pulsing with life and potential. In a world where concrete often overshadows greenery, Cook County is making moves with new ideas, where green spaces aren't just an escape from the urban jungle, but a vital part of our living environment, making our lives better and quite possibly increasing our net worth. Do you think these changes could reshape the real estate market in the area that you live in? Leave your responses in the comments. Remember, in Chicagoland, the true value of real estate isn't just measured in square footage or market trends. It's also in the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the air we breathe. Because here, the future is not just built, it's grown.